The UltraFab weld-on roller I purchased from Amazon. The next couple of slides shows it in place. The nylon pad that I installed was my attempt to keep the weld-on wheel from being overloaded. The nylon pad did not come in contact with the ground in the test that's coming up. I would like to redo this test and change one thing. The truck rear suspension has airbags, and I can dump the air and achieve about a 4-inch drop, and I'm curious to see if that would keep it from touching the ground in this particular scenario. Only one of the two rollers came in contact with the ground in the test that we performed. Prior to priming and painting, I attempted to get rid of surface rust by treating it with a crud cutter type product or a POR 15 metal prep.